Hello peeps of the world, my name is Jared, and today is a Easter themed cooking episode. And you probably wonder, well, what the heck are you going to be cooking, Jared? Well, first we'll be eating some good old Peeps cereal, limited edition. It says right there in the blue. Here it is. Yeah. It's Peeps cereal. We got the milk, and that's going to be the first part of it. We're going to taste it dry with milk, and then I tried to get Peeps milk, because Peeps milk was a thing, but it's not. So, it was a thing, but now it's not a thing, which is, annoying. We're going to use this as a substitute. So, Highland old chocolate milk. Marshmallow chocolate milk. Yeah, so we're going to use this as Peeps milk. It tastes somewhat the same. There's a strawberry and orange cream flavor, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. And this is also limited time only. There we go. So let's eat some cereal. What the? I get a bunch of Fruit Loops. Very fruity. So it's got marshmallows, little tiny Peeps marshmallows. These are really, really tiny. Oh my god. This is my pinky nail next to it. It's the size of my pinky nail. This is horribly small. Let me rate the taste. Oh, yeah. I can taste it. It tastes like just the colored part. It tastes fine. So we got two, roughly cup size. Taste. I give it. It's not the best, especially with the O's. Just overdone with the O's. I'll give it. I don't know. I'd kind of give it a 4. Very sweet. It's nice. It's Peeps. But this is lacking, and it being O's, even though on the box. But of course, this is dry. So I got milk. I got a spoon. So whole milk. Make that clear if any of you care to know what type of milk people would eat. Really doesn't matter. Trying to get it all in there. Yeah, still just really kind of Okay. In milk, it does help it out a bit, but it mostly just, I guess structurally, it still makes me, it totally makes me think of Apple Jacks. I give it 4 for dry. 3, just because it reminds me of Apple Jacks. So, now we're going to have some off-brand Peeps milk with it, and see how it tastes then. Shake it well. There we go. Slightly covers the bottom. And just so it's real, there you go. Very frothy. And this is chocolate. I don't think this is vanilla, so no. And I prefer strawberry out of everything. Okay. The dynamic's actually quite nice. They don't fight, they actually get along. I give this a 6. It's I don't know, it automatically made me think of Lucky Charms. I don't know why. But mostly so of no, but yeah, the marshmallow really heightens everything. So I'd give it a 6, but I definitely would not eat it on the regular. Because with a serving of both, 1 cup, 1 1/3 cup of this, and 1 cup of this is how much sugar? This says 36. And this says 16. So 36, 10, 12, 40, 50, 52 grams of sugar, which is kind of That's definitely not. No, come on. I'm not saying you're going by serving. Which, who does? Okay, no, but let's get on with the actual cooking part. Okay, so let's get on to the actual cooking part. So on this, there's actually a recipe. We're gonna do the recipes on the box. Now I'll have it. I'll just zoom in. Okay. Pause it if you want to see. So reconstructed s'mores and chocolate marshmallow blast milkshake. We're gonna be doing both. It's really simple actually. So we're gonna read out the s'mores and start forming it. And yeah. So I already have all the ingredients for it. So let's just go over the ingredients you'll need for both. So let's read them off. So for the reconstructed s'mores, place 2 tablespoons Holland chocolate milk and 2-ounce semi-sweet chocolate chips in a bowl. Microwave for 30 seconds and then whisk until blend and smooth. So I'm gonna need a spoon for that. I need a spoon or fork. I'm gonna use a fork because that helps whisking. Dip half each marshmallow, 20, which is weird. You need 20 marshmallows. In chocolate and crumbled graham crackers, and then crumbled graham crackers. In chocolate and then crumbled graham crackers. On the picture, there's a picture on top. So I guess you're supposed to crumble it on the marshmallow. Serve immediately or cover and keep in the refrigerator. So that's the one we're going to be doing right now. 2 ounces. Yeah, that's right, boys. We got the scale again. Okay, this time, and you can see it's working. It's on. I don't need to show you the numbers. All you need to know is that you need 2 ounces. Okay, ounces. So how many ounces is this apple? Let's see if it works. Okay, about 6 ounces. It's weird. I didn't realize 6 ounces. Okay, we're gonna put it in the bowl. We'll prematurely put it in the bowl. This bowl is around 6 ounces. Huh. Okay, now it's zeroed. So then, oh, I have too much. I think this is a part whenever you can just kind of semi-do whatever you want. There we go. It's 2.1, but meh. Remember to always taste your food with one hand. I'm gonna wash my hands. Also, remember to wash your hands before you do any cooking. I don't care how easy you think it is, Cable. Okay? Always wash your hands. Oh, I'm gonna be so clean. No, you're not. Wash your hands. 20 seconds. So, we have 2 ounces of this. Yeah, 2 ounces. Hooray! And then 2 tablespoons, and luckily we have a measuring thing over here. It's gross. And always remember that your measuring stuff is also clean. This is clean, because I pre-washed it. Because I'm big brain. Big brain. You really only need. Try to get it over the bowl. Again, this is. Two tablespoons, yeah, this is a tablespoon. Up! Creative liberty, boys and girls. And gargoyles. They like gargoyles. Yeah, I don't think we need a measuring thing. Yeah. We don't need our tablespoons anymore. But we will wash it off. But we'll have to make sure to clean it. Okay, let's read the ingredients again. In a bowl, microwave for 30 seconds, then whisk until blended and smooth. Okay, so 30 seconds microwave we go. I want to take this time in order to start talking about our sponsor. Wait. Funny joke. Funny joke. Okay, it's done. Wow, this is getting really soupy mixture. Get closer down. There we go. Hey. So the mixture, that's what it says. So this is there. So I'll open up the graham crackers. And then also open up all the other thing. Get your scale out of here, yay! I don't know how I'm supposed to mash these because it just says to crumble them over, which doesn't really make any sense. So I'll just have 2 graham crackers out just so I can do this. Oh, and the marshmallows. Yeah, that's what I'm opening. Already mixed up food is edible. So then it says, dip half crumble crackers. Okay. Dip? And let's see the dip. Watch the dip in slow-mo. You're slow-mo to me as your life. Your life, laddie. Gonna make them. Got it. There we go, slap it on. The heck do you expect? It's just chocolate marshmallow. All it is. Chocolate marshmallow. I might as well just actually make s'mores. You might as well just actually make s'mores. This is, I don't know, subpar. Let me just stout in there and see if I can. There we go. Playing, boys. Now we're going to clean up a little bit. Clean up some of our stuff. We'll be putting this in the fridge. I'm guessing if you have it on, over the fridge, in the fridge, heat it up again, 30 seconds. No, it's not like it's gonna burn and explode. Now we're in a blender, but the thing is, blender's not explode. There we go, this blender's not plugged in until now. Ooh. Okay, so we got this nice good old blender here. Now what are we gonna do with the blender? The first thing that I said the first time. Second thing that I said the second time. Okay, so in the blender combined 1 cup this, 1 cup chocolate ice cream, again Freedom Liberty, and 1/4 vanilla extract. Oh, okay, blend until smooth and frothy. Pour into the tall glass and garnish with mint, marshmallows, or whipped cream if desired. I could just slap this on there, that'd be nice. Maybe. Okay, let's get on with that. 1 entire whole cup. Oh, jeez. Hey, that's enough. No, Paul, I don't care. I don't think I need a tall glass, especially because it's just 2 cups of stuff. How much vanilla extract? 1/4 teaspoon. Oh. Good thing we're still at this! Yeah! Okay, this is a moving one, so it slides. See? Slides, so tablespoon and then not tablespoon. I don't need to tell you what a tablespoon is. Okay, how much do I need? A fourth? I don't have a fourth on this. All I have is 1 teaspoon. Fourth a teaspoon? Oh, that's like a drop. That's like 2 drops. So we're gonna go the smallest you can possibly go. And then we're just gonna put a dash in here. Just a little tiny itty bitty. There we go, tiny. Tiny, 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 tiny. Just a tiny amount. You know, that's what a fourth of a teaspoon is. It's practically just a drop. I meant to note that. For you guys at home. Okay, then we get the ice cream. I got vanilla. Because, you know, I can do whatever the heck I want in my kitchen. I could eat the camera. Who's gonna stop me? Ooh, the best way in order to get out ice cream is not with a spoon, but with a fork. Let me get one. 1 scoop chocolate ice cream. Scoop! Oh. Yeah, I wash my hands, so now we're good. We're okay, boys. Oh, lid on. It says Telfaki! Oh. I don't have a tall glass, but I do got a short glass. Freshly chocolate milkshake. And we just simply. I thought that was a lid and so disappointed. Smells like, you know, stuff. See? Why do you need a tall glass? Unless you're using one of those like the ones you get at ice cream shops. I don't know what happened. This really doesn't seem like a milkshake. Yeah. It's like the vanilla ice cream just melted in. So let's give my opinion my opinion on the chocolate s'mores. It's basically you know, half of what I would give to s'mores. S'mores I'd probably give maybe a 7, so it's a good 3. Just cause like, you know, you could like, you don't even need like this in order to have this. You know, and this isn't a very good milkshake because it's not too chunky. Maybe I should add ice. That's with a smoothie. I don't know. This, it's alright. If it was chocolate, you know, it would taste, you know, chocolatey, because I can taste both distinct flavors, which is good. So, I give this one, it's not really a milkshake, like how I like it, like a thick milkshake. I like me some thick milkshakes. And, you know, thick straw and big spoon. I'd give this a, maybe a 5. This is a good old 5. You know, and again, you can probably experiment. You can probably find better ones online. So how much does this cost? You know, with this, that, this, and an entire blender. This. So $5. $5. Not $5. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 5. I don't know, $20. Gets you bad s'mores and not too chunky milkshake. That's about 1 DLC. So I'd rather get a DLC than eat this. You could probably find better online for what this did. This only took 10 minutes for each of them. And if you wanted to speed run, it'd probably be 2. So, yeah. So, goodbye, don't die, peace.